Hey everybody, Mike here from Mike's Reviews and Tutorials. Today we're going to talk about DesignCap and RecordCast. DesignCap is great for graphic designers, and then RecordCast, it is basically recording Zoom sessions, webcam, also if you want to just record your screen on your computer. So very helpful, but I'm excited. We're going to go ahead and showcase this software, and I can show you how you can use it in your personal and professional life. So let's get started. Alright, so here we are on DesignCap.com. So as you can see, you can make graphic design much easier. So you can speed up your creative process to make striking graphics for business, social media, events, and more. So here's some of the things you can do. You can make infographics, presentation, poster, flyers, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, invitation. So as you can see, all types of things you can do on this website. There are a lot of templates, and it is very user-friendly. Customize it, export it, and upload it basically within 10 minutes. So here are some more of their templates and type of things you can make on their website. So let's go ahead and get started. So you just click that. Alright, so we can search their templates. So for me, let's try YouTube and then see what comes up. So I'm going to use this to create the thumbnail for this video. So you can go and preview, right? And then let's go, okay, let's customize this. So you can click and then delete, right? And then we do have the elements, photos, chart. You can upload, there's text here, right? And then there's icons you can drop in there. Maybe you want to make a little end screen for your video. And then here are the backgrounds. So you can click here. So there are shades. If you click on that button, this you can adjust looks. So for this button, you can actually zoom in. You can flip it back and forth with that. And then with this button, you can flip vertically, right? Or horizontal and then vertical, right? And you do have alignment, and then this if you want to move the picture back and forth, create another sheet, and then you can delete it over there. So if I like this, say I want to put in another picture, but let's say I want to put it in a box, all right? So you can put the box, and then you take the photo. There's all types of these pictures that do come with the package that you can use. So for this, you can grab it, and then you hover over the box. See how it changes the colors? And then you can drop it right in there. And then if you click, you can maybe try this, right? And then zoom in and out with that. Done. And then we can move this over. I want to touch up the picture. You can make it a little bit darker. Alright, and then say we don't like that. Oh, I want to delete. The cat actually wanted to delete this. So say we don't like this. And delete that right out. We can go to text. And then click on that, and then it pops right in. So you can resize this. You can move it over, change the color. There is a little bit of a lag, but I'm sure if that's my computer. So there you go. That's pretty cool. And then it has the fonts right there. Come with it. Or you can upload your font. So as you can see, it's very user friendly. If you had your own picture, You could just drop it right in there. And then once you're ready, you could either save it, or you can just download it, or you can print it. So it's very simple stuff. So let's go back. You can see there are all types of templates you can use. Very nice for a graphic designer, marketer. You can customize these, search them. Right, I typed in YouTube. You can do Facebook, Instagram. Right, you can do the preview. Let's get a closer look. Okay, so you're doing like a presentation, you can customize that. Right, there's infographics. That's right, Instagram. Do this. Maybe you want to put out a quote. Halloween party. Social media report. Right, so there's all types of things. And as you saw, it's very user-friendly and customizable. So now let's take a look at RecordCast.com. So you can start creating a video, okay? Or if we go back, you can create by record. So you can record your screen plus your webcam, right? Screen only or webcam only. So if I recorded my screen, so we'll go ahead, go through the microphone, system audio, all that. So we can start recording. If you want to record entire screen, window, or Chrome tab. So we'll do the entire screen, select that, and then we click share. So it says that it's about to record. So it is recording now. You get up to 30 minutes. Right, you can record whatever you want on your screen. So if we go ahead and stop, right, you can download and edit. So if we click download and edit, we go into the editor, and you can go in here and put in your own video to edit, or you can record it right from your desktop as you just saw. And then we can add things in here. It's going to click, hover over, and then click. Recording now. So there it is. Up to 30. There I am. I can turn. Let me see. So that should be, looks like it's the length. Well, okay, so it's zoom. So this is zoom in, zoom out on the little box. So you can zoom in, zoom out over here. Right, you do have the text, you have the background. Click, right, Control, Command Z. You didn't want to click that. Right, you have elements, so you have social, shapes, arrows, birthdays, and you can hover over it to see what it's going to do. The little animation, promotion, right? So let's add that in there. And let's play. Move the cursor. That's right. You record whatever you want on your screen. So there I am. So go ahead and stop. And then you see the little cart show up. So that's pretty cool. There's the overlay. So it'll kind of show up. So it's cool if you happen to record a meeting, a presentation, you can go back and before maybe you want to send it out to everyone, you can add some things in there. Transitions. Right. These would go really from the one scene to the next. You could add that in there. But right now I just have this one video in there. And then there's the watermark. You can drag and drop an image in there. Right, and then when you're done, you can export it, you could save it. Right, you can export it. You get the 1080p, 720, or 480p. And you can upgrade and export. There is an MP4, and then also you do have the option to use a GIF. So there you go. So very user friendly. As you can see, it won't take you long to get your presentation, get your video up and running, and you are good to go. for people like me that didn't spend thousands of dollars learning graphic design, this stuff is pretty cool. I like having the software, and it is very reasonably priced. So if you want to check it out, drop the links in the description.